Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to change phone number in Mailchimp. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Mailchimp, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Mailchimp website, what you're going to do is to click this icon on the top right corner and go to your profile right here, and in your profile just go to the settings right here on the side of the overview, and under settings just go to contact information, and you will see all information about your primary account contact. So you can just edit contact information, and you will see all of this, and you can just change your phone number right here if you want. And after changing your phone number, you can just click save in order to save your changes. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can, change phone number on Mailchimp. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.